Hey guys, it's going to be a short little video of an observation that I made that I wanted to share with you guys. Um, so about 2 winters ago, I observed some mallard ducks eating some fish. I thought it was kind of strange, but I thought it was a one-time thing, so I didn't pay much attention to it. And this winter, I observed them doing the same thing again, eating fish like crazy. So I thought it was kind of interesting. Decided to do a little research about it, and found out that during the winter and during breeding season, mallard ducks will eat fish and other things for extra protein, which I found really interesting. In all the years I've been doing this, I never really noticed it. Maybe some of you guys have and know about this, but it was new to me. So I wanted to share it with you guys. And as usual, I captured all the action with the A9 and the A7r4 and the 200 to 600. It's not really a long video. It's just some pictures and some video of them doing it. I know there's a lot of ducks that eat fish that are known, like mergansers and stuff like that, and waterfowl. But mallard ducks, you always associate them with some old lady feeding them some stale bread and kids feeding them, and very docile. You don't think of them being carnivorous. So I find that to be kind of interesting. So anyways, I hope you enjoy this. And until next time, all right, guys, I'm out. So we know about mergansers and other types of ducks that eat fish. But mallards? Those sweet, innocent, docile-looking things devouring fish? I guess they do.